How to add payment method on Google Forms. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To add a payment method to Google Forms, you will need to use a third-party add-on like Payable Forms. As Google Forms itself doesn't directly handle payments, you'll have to use these third-party extensions or add-ons. Well, it is pretty simple to get, so you can simply head over to your web browser and head into workspace.google.com, and there you want to search in for Payable Forms. Now you can also head over to your browser directly and search in for Payable Forms. Then you can see the first link is a sponsored, but the very first link you'll get the Google Workspace Payable Forms link. Tap on it and you'll be headed over to this page. On this page you'll get the option to install. Now it'll ask you to choose the account that you like to install on as well, but here I have installed it already. If you tap on install, it'll ask you to choose your Google account. Now choose it, and once you have done so, it'll be installed. Now once it has been installed, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and proceed to open up your Google Forms page, right? Or you'll be able to use it on Google Sheets and Google Forms. Head over to Google Forms there, and on the page you'll have to do it on your desktop browser. You'll find the extension icon at it towards the top of your screen. You want to tap on it, and there from it you want to select the Payable Forms extension, and once you click on it, you'll get the option to get started. So this is how you can easily add Payable Forms extension and add payment method to your Google Forms. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.